Veil baseboard covers are designed to slip over the existing backplate. However, if you've removed the backplate from your baseboard heater, Veil offers a replacement backplate made from 100% aluminum. Here's how to install your Veil replacement backplate. If necessary, remove the previous backplate and any fasteners, leaving only the copper pipe and heating element. Slide the replacement backplate behind the heating element and ensure it's properly oriented. For standard baseboard covers, Atlas, Titan, Demi, and Echo, let the backplate rest on the floor. It will stand 7.5 inches tall, which is the correct installation height. For Atlas XL covers, maintain a 2.25 inch gap from the floor with the top of the backplate 9.75 inches off of the floor. Not all floors are level, so use a level to ensure the backplate is straight and adjust as needed. Secure the backplate to the wall with the screws provided, 2 per foot. You can use a drill or screwdriver. For the strongest hold, try to locate the studs and screw directly into them. If studs aren't available, use anchors or plastic plugs for a stronger connection. Now, place the provided L brackets under the heating element in the correct orientation and insert the provided screws through the L bracket and into the vertical openings in the backplate. The L brackets should be touching the underside of the element, providing support. Space the L brackets evenly for uniform support. Confirm the backplate and L brackets are secure. Now, you can easily install your new Veil baseboard covers by simply slipping them into the replacement backplate. Ready to order? Visit our website today for modern and beautiful baseboard covers.